Hello friends of your Astelar channel. Today in our Life and Rise coaching, we will see how to use ySense to rise in your financial life, okay? With doing offers, service and earn money with this incredible site, okay? So you can click and join now, okay? After put your email here and or password here. We will create a password and click here. So after that we will receive an email and we will see fulfill a profile with your name, your address and your country, your phone number, your email and your email of PayPal or Skrill account to you get you make your withdraw your money with safety. Okay, so how the ySense do that? You can see how you do to create your profile on here on ySense. Use the same information if you use in your PayPal account to create it. Okay, so if you go into your PayPal account, copy your informations here. Okay, first of all is this: copy this information, your address and your name and your the birthday date or everything. Okay, so you will put this information on your profile on ySense, so you can keep in mind. Also you have to remember your answers for the several surveys and questions, okay? Because they will ask to you the annual income or how many children do you have, or in another questions to complete your profile with the research marketing, okay? To get to one reward for an answering survey. Okay, so I will log in my account here to show you. After the create your profile is a very simple process. You will just copy your information from your PayPal here and paste here on your profile page. Okay, so confirm and move on. You use your email and password and we will get here. You can see the top offer will pop up on your screen. Okay, so here you can see my email, my name, just like my PayPal. You can see alright, cash out $39. Okay, I'm almost done my 40 withdrawal, and so here you click in complete service, okay, to start to earn money, and this in these options of service you can click and you're redirected to here. Okay, but this is several values of rewards. Okay, some ones gets to $1.5, okay, and or $2, $3, $9 and whatever. And you can click here. It says offers. Okay, to see the offers you can complete $14, okay, $6, $11, complete these offers, and you will receive this money doing service here in Peanut Labs or here in Revenue Universe. Okay, this is very great site to earn money. So here is all these are offers and service to you complete and earn money too. This the value is the cents you can earn here. This is very simple. You can keep in mind input your most honest information, because you need to repeat in every single search company of this. In your first time you look and search for a survey to answer and earn money, you will be asking the same questions you did the several times: your age, your how many children, or your career, or you graduated or not, and you repeat this several times in every one of this. Okay, so ySense has tasks open, the Appen. So you don't know Appen, you will need to know Appen, because this is a really good company to work with. Okay, and I will let you in the description the link to apply and for this jobs opportunities. Remember, you have to do a very good resume to apply and start your career with this incredible company. Okay, so after you earn money with this all options, you have see at this time, you see the affiliate program here. Okay, how we earn commission, 20% your commission here for yours referral. Okay, survey, offer, and task will earn 20% of commission of everyone. Okay, by the way, you earn this or this. You can click here to see in your country how is the reward. Okay, here is one more bonus for your referral program with ySense. Okay, so if you click here and start your own life with ySense, if you use our link, you please contact us, because we have a mentor, a guide to show you to become the most to earn more money, doing your jobs with ySense and other payment methods and companies, research or not, jobs, and at least so much more content to you to rise your life, rise your finance life, rise your soul with our coaching method, life and rise coaching created by me. Okay, if you get to achieve your goals in your life and earn money to keep your family safe, and has the will to work with a serious company doing a job for free. Okay, everything you see at this point on the video is free. You don't have to spend any cent to start. Okay, it's completely free. You just need to work with our program on Astelar company. It's my company. Okay, and we will get the help and instructions and the videos and the links and the sites to start your referral program with us, using our websites like this, just to prove you just to see it's free. Okay, I create this website totally free. Okay, and as you can see, it has the tutorials and has the links, and you will receive your own site like this to start your referral program, your marketing, your social media, and spread your referral program to earn money, passive income for rest of your life, or at least ySense has the doing jobs in the world. Okay, I hope you like this video, and stay safe. Success for all of us. Stay with God, and see you later.